Hi guys, Wire here. I thought I'd do a little restoration of this little it's an Indestro box end and open end wrench. The open end is a half and the box end is 7/16. I found this walking over to the store to Giants about a week ago. It was raining out and it was in the dirt, and it kind of caught my eye. I wasn't sure what it was. I went over there and it was like right below the surface in the mud. So I grabbed it up and thought I'd make a video of it. Anyway, before we get to this, I do want to show you guys one thing here. The wrench I did last week, for the parrot pliers I did last week for my buddy Ted. He was so appreciative. He gave me this Keifel and Esser 20-foot measuring tape, and this is very nice because it's in the box. It's in really good shape. Let me take it out and show you guys what it looks like. And it's called Favorite Whiteface Keifel and Esser Company, 25 foot. It's really nice. It's a little stiff. Pretty sure it could use a little bit of oil. Let me see what's going on. Okay, I'll see what it is. They said it was really nice of me. He was so appreciative they let me have this because I do collect tape measures. So I thought you guys would like that. This is the outside, and when this made, it was $6.35 for this. Who knows what it would be now? I'm not sure if these people are still in business or not, but it was really cool, and it's in the original box. Anyway, fellas, let's get to this wrench. Okay, let's start on this thing. It doesn't look like it's in bad shape. All the points in the box end look pretty good. It does have some kind of stuff. Looks like cement in here. I'll scratch that out. Now, let's put this on the wire wheel, see if we can get most of this crap out of here. Okay, this is post-wire brush. It cleaned up the Indestro really good. The letters came out really nice. Got all the rust off of it. And you can see the 1/2 inch here and the 7/16 here. There's a little bit of casting marks on the sides here, so I figured we put it on the belt sander and try to smooth these ends down and maybe polish this up a little bit, and we'll see what it looks like. And probably I'm going to show you guys what I bought last week, and this is going to go with it. So that's at the end of the video, so stay tuned. Let me get the belt sander set up and we'll start working on this. Okay fellas, this is the finished product. Turned out real nice. You can see the Indestro in there. I didn't want to polish it too good. I'm kind of like old school a little bit with my tools. I like to keep some of the original pitting in there. Yeah, but I did smooth out these edges here. It really feels really nice in the hands, nice and smooth. My hand's not going to get tired wrenching with this. Like I said, it's an Industro. Made in Chicago, USA, and it's drop forge electric steel, it says. And like I said, it's great size. Like I said, it's going to get put to use. Let me show you what I'm going to use it for. I'll be right back. This is wire. Hey fellas, back in June, I think I told you guys that I sold my Harley trike. Well, I went all summer without riding, and I've been riding for a long time, most of my life, and I kind of got, I guess, I kind of missed it. Anyway, fellas, I kind of replaced it with something, and this is what I bought. I bought a 2017 Harley Fat Bob. I really do miss riding and miss riding with my buddies. So I'm back on the bike again. So anyway, what I'm going to be doing is some of these old antique tools I'm going to be putting on my bike instead of buying new tools. I'm kind of going to use the old school American made tools for my American made bike. Thought I'd let you guys know what's going on, and I'm back on the road again on two wheels. Anyway fellas, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys the next time. You have a nice week, and I'll see you. This is Wire.